So now students, we will continue the exercise from 10th question. So question number 10A, 1,41,100 divided by 17. So when we divided 1,41,100 by 17, it will be 8,300 will be the quotient and there will be no remainder. Now question B, 1,14,240 divided by 28. So it will be 4,080 as the quotient and there will be no remainder. Now question C, 4,76,392 divided by 56. So it will be 8,507 as the quotient and there will be no remainder. Now question D, 6,30,169 divided by 42. So there will be 15,004 as the quotient and 1 is remainder. Question E, 2,03,047 divided by 54. So when we divided, 3,760 will be the quotient and there is 7 as the remainder. Now student, question number 11, divide and check the answer. First of all, we will do divide and then we will check the answer by formula. So question A, 80 divided by 15. First we will divide it 80 by 15. 15 5 is 75. So 5 is quotient and 5 is remainder. And 80 will be the dividend and the 15 जिससे हम divide कर रहे हैं student, this is the divisor. Now we know very well the formula of check the division. Dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. We will put the value dividend equals to 80. Now divisor multiplied by quotient. Divisor is 15. So we will write here 15 multiplied by quotient 5 and then we will add the remainder plus 5. So first of all we will multiply 15 multiplied by 5. 15 5 is 75. Then we will add the remainder 5. So it will be 80. So equal as dividend. So the answer will be correct. Now question B, 145 divided by 19. When we divided 145 by 19, so it will be 7 as the quotient and 12 as the remainder and 19 is the divisor. Now we know very well dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So 19 multiplied by 7 plus 12. 19 multiplied by 7 equals to 133. Then we will add in this number 12. So it will be 145 as dividend. So this is also correct. Now question C, 725 divided by 25. So when we divided, it will be 29 as the quotient and there is no remainder. So the formula will be dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient because remainder is not. So divisor multiplied by quotient 20, we will multiply 25 into 29. So it will be 725 as dividend. So this is also correct. Now question D, 2800 divided by 84. So when we will divide, it will be 33 as the quotient and 28 as the remainder. Now we will put value in formula. So 84 multiplied by 33 plus 28. When we will divide it, when we will multiply 84 and 33, it will be 2772 plus 28. Now 2800 as dividend. So the answer will be correct. Now question E, 4,602 divided by 59. When we will divide it, 4,602 by 59, it will be 78 as the quotient and there will be no remainder. So we will multiply divisor and quotient. So 59 multiplied by 78, it will be 4,602 as dividend. So the answer will be correct. Now students, question 1 to question 11 of question exercise 7A has completed. Student, after question number 11, question 12, question 13, question 14 and question 15, this is also divide. So you will do yourself these questions. Thank you.